Hi, in this simple tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to play Old Macdonald Had a Farm on the violin. Thanks so much for joining me here at Violin with Catherine. If you are new here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. New videos come out every Friday. This is good if you are just starting out on the violin. We simply need our first finger, our third finger, and our open A string and open E strings. That's all. I have also made a very simple duet part for this. If you are not yet ready to use your fingers, you can play along with just some open strings. Be sure to click on the download down below to get your free copy of my version of Old Macdonald Had a Farm. Starting on our A string with our third finger, we play 3, 3, 3, open A. 1 on the A, then first finger on the E string, open E, then 3 on the A, open A, 3, open A, 1, 1, A, 1 on the E, open E, 3 on the A, 3, 3, 3, rest. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, A, 1, 1, A. 1 on the E, open E, then 3 on the A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks for joining me here today at Violin with Catherine. I hope to see you again next time. Make sure you've hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll catch you next time.